Welcome to our first episode of Made in the USA, where we're going to share products that we purchase that were made in the United States of America. First of all, let's talk for a minute about what it means to be made in the USA. The Federal Trade Commission defines it very specifically. The majority of the items that go into making the product and all of the making of the product basically need to be from the United States. Then they can say that it's made in the USA. If a certain percentage of those products, and I'm not really sure what the percentage is made or imported from elsewhere, then they can say assembled in the USA or built in the USA, and that's fine, as long as they're honest. And I'd like to think that most of the companies are honest. All right, the other thing I want to talk about is that we do not always buy made in America products. Sometimes it's just not feasible, or we buy something that's used, or there's just a sale that we can't beat. So I don't want you to think that everything that we buy is made in America, but I do want you to know that we really make an effort to purchase American-made products anytime that it's feasible. Okay, so the next question would be, why do we choose to buy products made in the USA? We actually have 5 main reasons. Our first reason is because it provides jobs for the American worker. This allows the American worker to be self-supportive of themselves and their families. Number 2, it promotes American independence, which in turn decreases our reliance on imports. Number 3, it's actually better for the environment. Here in the United States, we have rules about emissions and things like that. Not so much in other countries, and I know China and Mexico have very, very high air pollution rates. So by manufacturing here in the United States, they have to meet those standards, better standards than other places, maybe not the best, but better. Therefore, buying American-made products not only helps our local Americans and our local company and our local industry, but it's actually better for our actual environment. Number 4, there are standards here for the working environment of the employees, and I believe that's a good thing because we all hear the stories about the conditions that factories are in other countries and children working, and whether they're true or not, we do know that they definitely don't have the same standards that we do here in America. And that makes me feel better because it means that I'm not supporting an environment for other people to work in that I personally wouldn't want to work in. So I feel good about that. And last but not least, number 5, reducing the deficit. Supporting our manufacturing companies here in the United States helps to eliminate the deficit. We have a huge deficit whether you like it or not. And buying American products boosts manufacturing, boosts the American economy, and in turn, that will help to reduce the deficit. So that's a really big deal. So lots of reasons to buy American made. It keeps jobs here, it promotes U.S. independence, it helps reduce the deficit, it's better for the environment, and it provides good, clean, fair working conditions. Okay, so those are our reasons for choosing to buy American-made products. Stay tuned for episode 2, where we share our first American-made product, Dexter Russell knife that we use literally every day in this house. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Have a great day.